if you're a newcomer to the Amazon affiliate program and need to create your affiliate link, follow these straightforward steps. First and foremost, ensure you're on the correct Amazon website corresponding to the affiliate program you've enrolled in. For instance, if you've joined the Amazon Associates program, navigate to Amazon.com. Next, conduct a Google search for Amazon Associates and make sure you're logged into your Amazon Associates account. This step is crucial because Amazon employs the Amazon Associates site Stripe, a tool that facilitates link generation. Once you're logged into Amazon Associates, you can proceed to any product page on Amazon and generate your affiliate link. Simply click on the Get Link button and choose between a short or full link. We recommend using a short link for simplicity. Your generated link will contain a tracking ID, and you'll earn a commission for any purchases made by individuals who click on your link within 24 hours, regardless of whether they buy the product you're promoting or any other item on Amazon. Creating affiliate links is a user-friendly process, accessible to anyone. We trust that this guide has been beneficial in assisting you in generating your Amazon Associates affiliate link. Happy affiliating!